in this video I'm going to show you how to use StatCrunch as a calculator to find the factorial n, or for example factorial 5, or NPR, the permutations, or 5p2 example, or combination NCR, or example 5c2. Here we go to data and select compute expression. Now factorial, you write the first four letters F-A-Z-T, factorial, in parenthesis 5, so it will give, and then press compute, it will give you the answer. You get 120. So the factorial 5 is equal to 120. The permutation, suppose I want to find 5p2. Again, data, compute expression, permutation, P-E-R-M, perm from permutations of what? 5, which is n, comma 2, which is r, and press compute, you will get 20. The permutations of that is equal to 20. We need 5z2. You go to data, compute expression, combination, Z-O-M-B, the first four letters of that combinations. You get a 5, comma 2, and compute, you get 10. So here is the answer.